Hey everybody, how's it going today? Got a new harness that we're have available to sell at WesSpur Tree Equipment, and this is the Fox climbing harness from R Easy Climbing in France, and that's a capital R dash Easy. Again, this is the Fox. I've really been excited to be able to get a hold of this and offer it for our customers. There's a lot of features on this harness that I love. So this is try to say this correctly. This is a very simple harness, nice, clean, and simple, but super high quality with just the right amount of gadget or bells and whistles, what have you. So we have two versions. We have the leather version and then what's called the textile version. Obviously there's no leather on the back of this. There is a Kevlar mesh that's coated in a nylon or some type of polymer. One of the big features that I love about this harness is we don't have gear loops all over the place going at crazy angles. I like this option, just having this one even horizontal gear racking loops at the bottom of the harness. And then we got two angled ones for folks that want that there. And we also have one on each leg loop, which is kind of custom. Also, one feature I like is on the leg loops, there's this slotted webbing here so I can get my trauma kit on there. So going to the front of the harness, everything connects up with Cobra buckles. We're all used to that, normal, nice. On this particular harness, once you get the length of your waist belt set, you actually lock it in place with this little plastic tab. Kind of slick, I haven't seen that before. We do have adjustable rise between the leg loops and the waist belt, and you have two options with where to connect those, because you could bring that ring down to this lower one if need be. The padding on this harness is great. Forgot the weight on this already, but I'm going to say 3 pounds. We'll find out if I'm right or wrong. The D's are a little bit smaller. That's common on European harnesses. I'm used to it by now. Your lower rings, or your lower D's, if you will, for using your work positioning lanyard in an overhead configuration, that allows you to do that. You can open these to replace your bridge, or if you needed to add a second bridge. Slots in the webbing on the back, and the quality of construction on this is excellent. It's in that $550, $599 price range. Unfortunately, that's where we're at for quality, journeyman level harnesses. So again, this is the Fox harness.